Hey future millionaires, my name is Isabella. I am the owner of 2 six-figure earning online businesses. And you're probably here because you're interested in selling digital products online, but you don't know what to sell, or maybe you just want to get some ideas. I got you. Not only will I be providing you 10 different digital product ideas for you guys today, but I will also be providing you with resources of how you can create these digital products with $0 and how you can start selling them right away. So make sure you watch all the way till the end of this video because I packed this entire video with tons of knowledge that people will charge thousands of dollars for. All I ask in return for the free education is just smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and educational videos just like this one. The goal with this video is that you can really brainstorm ideas as you are watching this. So by the end of the video, you're gonna have in your mind exactly what digital products you wanna start selling online. Now, in order for this video to also be productive to your learning, I want you to have these things on your mind first. You need to think of digital products like this. A digital product is a non-physical product. Even though you're not physically holding it, it's still a product that people could use and purchase. Just like how with a physical product, you want to sell something to fill a void in someone's life or solve a problem, digital products can do the same, especially as our world is becoming more and more digital as we know it. Keep in mind that your digital product has to have value. It has to solve a problem in some way to the buyer. And this doesn't have to be strictly educational. You can provide value with entertainment. Although I do believe educational digital products do tend to be more valuable, which means you're gonna make more money from them. The best kinds of digital products are the ones that focus on a specific problem that you can solve. It doesn't have to be life-changing, but the value needs to be there. So definitely have these things on your mind as you're watching these ideas today. Digital product number 1 is printable wall art. These motivational posters have made over $7,000 without the seller even lifting a finger to ship any products or carry any inventory. Because these are digital downloads, there's no printing or shipping involved. You can create a digital download that would be a great fit for a poster on Canva, create mock-ups of how they would look on a poster, list them, and start bringing in the sales. Digital product idea number 2 is planners. This digital That Girl planner on Etsy is making an estimate of $2,000 a month. You can come up with something similar, and with planners and the different types of styles that are available, the possibilities are literally endless. Another popular digital product in this idea is selling a homeschool planner like these. Based on recent studies, more and more parents are wanting to homeschool their kids. So with a little bit of research and the help of AI, you are able to develop something that parents can use. This is another digital product you can develop using just Canva. So you can see just by recognizing trends, you can capitalize on something very simple and very niche down and make a lot of money. So digital product idea number 3 is content calendars. A new study shows that 3 in 4 teens are wanting to be content creators for their career. So many people are realizing how much money is actually in content creation. And it definitely seems like we're in a world now where everybody's trying to get in on it. But people don't know how to start or how to stay organized. By you creating these content calendars, this can help new aspiring entrepreneurs that are trying to get into content creation or even experienced disorganized content creators stay organized. Digital product idea number 4 is ebooks and guides. Whatever your expertise or knowledge is, you can create an ebook on this topic, and the possibilities are endless. And don't worry, you don't have to be some author or pro writer to actually create these types of products. You can even get help writing your ebook with the help of ChatGPT, which is free to use. Always think of AI as your coworker. AI is not going to replace anyone, but you should be using the power of AI to make you work faster, get stuff done faster. Then you can take the work that the AI makes and put your own personal touches on it. This is literally just a hack of how to get things done quicker so you can start developing your digital products faster. Digital product idea number 5 is cookbooks and recipes. If you are someone that you have traditional recipes that you want to share, or you are someone that likes to come up with new types of recipes, why not make a digital product about it and sell it? Maybe you have a grandmother that also knows a bunch of traditional recipes. You could literally take her cookbook and remake it into a modern one and sell it to others. I think that would be a super awesome thing you could do with your mom or grandma as well. I've seen tons of people on social media creating content about this topic, and then when people ask about it, they just refer them and funnel them to the link in their bio that has the digital product that they can shop there and buy it. We'll talk about this a little bit later. Digital product idea number 6 is fitness guides. Of course, this is for you if you are someone that you are currently on your fitness journey. You don't have to be some crazy fitness influencer to do this. There's people on all levels of fitness selling products just like these. You can just share your routine and what's working for you and keeping you motivated on a daily basis. Idea number 7 is travel guides and itineraries. What I love about the travel niche is you don't even have to be a world traveler anymore to actually be in this niche. Although obviously, if you've traveled to certain places and you want to share your itinerary, you can actually sell it to other people. Even places that you haven't been, you can literally research and go on Expedia and read up on certain destinations and develop an itinerary for people and sell it. Like, I know that I've been on multiple different trips and I have all my history of where I stayed, where I ate, my itineraries that I could sell if I really wanted to. So definitely do this if you are someone that travels a lot and wants to start creating content about traveling to get those sales. Idea number 8 is mom guides. Kid printables, activities, coloring pages, etc., games. There's so many different things that you can do in this mom niche. So if you are a mom and you like to do DIY fun things with your kids, you could be selling digital products of these activities. You can see here there's tons of people that are already doing this right now, and they're making a lot of money. Number 9 is weekly meal planners. If you are someone that you are on your health journey and you like to plan out your meals, why not just plan them out and also sell a product on it? This is just another example that no matter what you're doing in your life right now, if you're already creating things for yourself and organizational systems, you could be selling that to other people as well. And there are tons of people doing this and making thousands of dollars. Number 10 is Canva templates. You are able to make templates just like this and sell them directly through Canva or other sites. And what's awesome about it is you can make them directly through Canva. Matter of fact, pretty much everything that I just talked about can be made in Canva, which is pretty cool. Considering that Canva is free, and I feel like if you learn Canva, it's so worth it to learn just for so many things that you're gonna do online. It's honestly, if you're not good with Canva, you should definitely get good at it. Why not? And I think it will open a whole window of things that you can sell online and become a really useful tool for you for your business or for whatever you're doing to make money online. Canva templates just like these are another popular product you can sell to make passive income. One thing that I always love to do to get even more ideas for digital products is really just spending time on Etsy, productively scrolling through the platform. And here you can really see what's selling and gain inspiration for your own unique ideas. Now, I personally don't recommend selling on Etsy because they take so many fees. I'd rather see you guys creating your own websites and listing these products on and then driving traffic to that website organically through social media. I want you guys to pick a digital product that you genuinely believe in and like. I'm not gonna create a digital product on something that I just am not really into, or maybe like I start going to the gym, but then I fall out of it and then I just don't feel inspired anymore. I want you to really seek and see what you feel like your purpose is or what your interests really are, so you can go all in and build an entire social media presence around selling these digital products. Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest are free traffic sources. You just have to focus and learn how to use them to your advantage. And of course, I got you guys on that topic as well. I will link the free marketing course video down in the description box below as well. Picking one niche and making multiple digital products in that niche is the way to go. Then you'll start generating so many ideas of how you can market these products with the right strategies that I teach on my YouTube channel. But I just really want you guys to pick something that you like, and you might pick something that wasn't even in this video, and hopefully this is helping you generate ideas just by being here and having an open mind to this knowledge. So just to run down what we talked about so far, Canva is your go-to to create a digital product. Canva has tons of free templates that you can use and customize to make your digital products. So of course, I did some research for you guys on the best platforms to host your digital products. And my favorite online store type for hosting digital products is definitely Hostainer. Obviously, super important to have a website to list these digital products on so you can start promoting it and getting sales. If you look down below in the description box, I did put a link there for Hostainer. And once you click that link, it will bring you to this page. This is actually an AI website builder. I'm super excited to actually show you how this works because it's very easy and beginner friendly to get started. Now, I definitely compared some prices for you guys, and for digital products, this is the best one, even in this regard. Not only is this platform the most affordable, but it also provides the most features selling digital products. You can see here there's a couple different plans, and I do recommend going with the 48-month plan because that's how you're gonna get $3.99 a month. And I do recommend the business plan because e-commerce features are included in that. The premium plan does not include those, so I just wanted to let you guys know that. So let's just say that you're gonna go with this plan. Just click that, then go down here and where it says have a coupon code, just type in this code for even more money off on top of the already discounted pricing. And this will give you a 10% discount. So once you're done with that, it's gonna bring you to this page where you can then start building your website. This is very simple to use, and I'll show you how to use this AI website builder too. So click here, start now, and we're going to select Hostainer's Builder with AI to make our website. You also do get a free domain with this, so let's just click create a free domain name, or if you already have one, you can just connect it here. So let's go ahead and create ours right now. I'm just gonna call this store baddieandbiz and select .com. It shows it's available, so let's go ahead and click continue. Now you're gonna be presented with this form that says, tell us about your website. Here you're going to fill in all the details about what you're using this for and for what you're selling. So my brand name, I'm just using my name, Baddie and Business, and for the website type, let's select online store. For the description, I'm just gonna write a website where I am selling ebooks and guides on the topic of entrepreneurship with the goal to uplift, inspire, and educate others to go after their dreams. So you will put in your mission here with what you're selling. And the more descriptive you are with the AI, the better. Now we're gonna wait for the AI system to generate our website. And you can actually see what it's working on as it's working, which is pretty cool. So this way you're not having to start a website from scratch or pay anyone to do it for you. It can definitely be a process figuring that all out on your own as a beginner. So I love how this is all done for you just by using the Hostainer AI website builder. So in less than a few minutes, AI has built our website. And now you can see that AI did the bulk of the work for us. Now let's go ahead and make it more custom to your vision and to what you want. And this is actually the fun part. You can change the style of the website by going down here. It has different fonts that you can choose from, different font pairings, and it does change in real time so you can see what you like. You can also change the colors of the website itself if you want to as well. So down here, you will also see the option for pages. So let's just say you wanted to add an About Me section. You can do that here. Just click it and there's some templates that you can start from. There's also an option called Elements, and you can add these onto your website easy just by selecting one of these. You can add tons of buttons here as well. So you can see just by this quick rundown of the editing is super simple if you're wanting to change anything. There's no coding needed, and we just created this beautiful website in less than 10 minutes. When you're adding your product into Hostainer, it even gives you an AI writer tool to help you generate a good description for your products. Also, don't forget when you're setting this up just to go to the store settings and connect your PayPal or Stripe account to start receiving payments once you start getting the sales. When you're ready to launch this website, just click on Go Live and your website is now ready to go. Now, obviously, this was a quick rundown on how to list your products and get them ready to start getting sales. But I do have a full free course video on my YouTube channel all about this in depth. So definitely make sure you go watch it if you haven't already. This free course is gonna give you even more of a breakdown of everything that I talked about in this video. I just wanted to make a video all about ideas for you guys today to uplift and inspire you guys and just to help you brainstorm some ideas so you can start your digital products journey. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return for the free education is just hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and educational videos just like this. If you are someone that you are wanting some extra guidance and help on your entrepreneurship journey, definitely make sure you join in the Baddies in Business Club, which I have also linked in the description box below. And by entering into the club, you have me and my team on your side as you are proceeding with your entrepreneurship journey. We focus heavy on helping you develop marketing strategies and bringing in the sales, because that, in my opinion, is definitely the hardest part that people get stuck on. We also have 3 calls a week where I meet with you guys and give you help where is needed. Make sure you do join the VIP version if you're wanting to have more of a personalized experience and get more personalized feedback and tips. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye everyone.